So, test. Hello everybody. We have a desktop PC which is in for repair because it doesn't turn on. Well, not turning on, it turns on, but then the screen stays black. And in this case, it's very interesting. I started, as always, on the wrong side. I did turn it on, we didn't get a screen. Then I found we have here the four, I know it's dark, but we have four LEDs here. One says boot, the other one says VGA, the other one says RAM, and then CPU. And the boot was blinking, so I thought, okay, maybe faulty hard drive. Disconnect the hard drives, nothing works. Okay, then we have here a display with a code. You get different code. First I got the A2. It says, well, problem with the hard drive, blah, blah, or something was connected. Then I'm gonna reboot it. Yeah, then we got code 99. That's similar to A2, I think, what I found, and it also says, yeah, something wrong with the hard drive, or can't read the hard drive. Yeah, hard drive was also blinking. Then I found the BIOS battery was running on 1.2 volts, which is very low. I did make a BIOS reset, taking out the battery, you know, connecting the two pins. Not a big deal, and nothing. Nothing, just nothing. Then we have BIOS B, which I turned on. And if you turn on BIOS B, the machine didn't even start. Until I replaced the BIOS battery. Then it started. And then I get different errors. Then I get VGA errors and RAM errors. So it's kind of and I didn't check the RAM. And what I found, I haven't done anything, is guess what? RAM is loose. That's how the RAM was sticked here. It's not even inside, so let's try this whole procedure again. Okay, well, everything is set up. I have my hard drive connected. And point 2 from the customer is out, and also the big drive. Let's turn it on. And also one interesting, I realized the power button is working sometimes. So yeah, I'm setting back to BIOS A. And yeah, let's just push the power button here. And nothing works. Well, let's just give power to the PSU and try that again. Ready, go. 3, 2, 1, power. Let's see what happens now. We have a logo and now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, I think that was the issue. Let me turn it off and put the original hard drive. As we see, LEDs are off and A2 is still present. No hard drive connected, I don't know. A silly, not properly connected RAM, which is kind of okay. GPU is connected, hard drive is connected. What else? Let's also connect the other big drive. Good, and I think we're ready to go again. So power on. Let's see if the power button works now. If I can find it. I don't care. It turns on the screen. Get the screen. I'm not turning the camera around because we just want to know if it boots. And no boot. Interesting. Same fault as before. Yeah, really. Okay. Good, let's try that again. It comes off easily, which means Windows isn't loaded yet. Otherwise you would have pushed the power button a couple, really. Should I switch back to... No, we have been in BIOS A. So what have we done? We did change GPU. We did install the M.2 drive, which was here before, and we installed this drive, so let's try it again. Maybe just a glimpse. Okay, let's get rid of all the hard drives. I'm taking all the power out so it may forget the bad memory. Again, the right boot without any hard drive. So power on. Still in BIOS B, which didn't change anything, so we do not have a BIOS issue. Get the screen, and that's it. And error code 99 is back. And we don't have a hard drive. Oh, is it allowed for me to go into the BIOS without a hard drive? Doesn't look like. And it's still not working. So the last thing is, well, what can we do? Should we take out the RAM? DDR A1, A2, B1, B2. Do I have to connect it on A1 or B1? D2, D1, C2, C1. New error code, probably RAM not in the right order. Let's put it on the outside of the black piece. It is so, there are a million possibilities and you always get different results. So RAM seated somewhere else. Let's see if RAM position is now okay. The BIOS logo, and it disappears. And now we have A9. Oh, I'm in the BIOS. I cannot believe. So we're in the BIOS now. What does this mean? Does this mean we have a RAM issue? The RAM which was faulty which wasn't properly seated was this one. Could also be this one. So here I'm going to make 2x. Very sure, but not too sure. And that is not so sure. It's my drive. Nothing to hide. Okay, good. Let's turn the device off. If I can. Let's install the second RAM. Or should we install all 4 RAMs? Cable management here is awful, but it is what it is. So I'm going to take the other RAM with the 1X, and I'm going to put them exactly in the same spot where they were. So it should not boot this way. 91, 95, 62, 99 is good. Then 9C, 64, 9C, I think that's booting. Okay, it's booting. Taking it out, reseating it, really? And try that again. I know you're faulty. Show your real face. Son of a gun. I think this is the end, my friend, of this interesting repair. Yeah, it's a mystery. We took it out. First, I just push it in correctly. Okay, I did take it out and put it back in. There is nothing to see here. Maybe we have been a little bit offset, I don't know. Everything very hard to tell. We have some schmutz here inside. A little bit of coating because of rude installation. It's clean. But yeah, I think it wasn't just not seated properly, so everything should be fine. The system is booting. It was a pain. All we had to do is, maybe that's our theory. We saw it wasn't quite connected, turn it off, take it out, not like me, push it in, take it out, reseat it, look at the dirt is in there, then we would have been good. That would have been 5 minutes work. I'm standing here for now, almost an hour. Of course, we're going to make some stress testing with engine valley and other stuff, but that's boring. Or prime is also recommended for testing RAM CPU. I hope to enjoy this mystery repair. So if you like that, then hit the subscribe button and see you the next time. Goodbye.